We have literally all been here. You mess up and you drop one of your powder products. Now, not only is your favorite makeup product shattered, so is your heart. But because I'm here, I'm gonna help you fix it in a couple easy steps. First, you're gonna grab yourself something you can break it with. I'm using these lash applicators. Just start smushing it all. It seems counterintuitive. It seems stupid to do this, but trust the process, baby. That's what we're here for. Break everything up. While I'm doing that, this is literally the third day I've tried to do a voiceover because my kids won't stop screaming. LOL. Now it's all pretty and mushed up, so you're gonna spray it with alcohol. This is whatever percent alcohol you can find or is convenient. And then you're just gonna place a paper towel or a cloth of some sort on top of that. And then you just take a circle that fits the mold and smush. That popped down because the case has 2 parts. But all you have to do is just press something down over that cloth to smush everything right back together. Voila! She's all put back together. I'm just gonna like dig the pan out of the bottom though, because that is hilarious. This is super helpful because now instead of it being a loose powder that picks up way too much of on the brush, it's a nice smooth powder again. I can just pick it up on my brush in the right amount. Yay! A little bit of a wipe down. There you have it. It's super easy to do this and it will save your booty if you are clumsy like me and you drop everything. I simply can't make this up. I just dropped it again. I'm going to jail. Go. Very nice. Good job. Good night. Love you.